Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're kicking things off with a bucket of clean water. Now drop in all that torn cardboard and paper scrap so it can start soaking up the moisture. Instead of buying a mixer, we're going to craft a custom agitator using some steel rebar. Clamp it into the vise and weld these extra metal prongs onto the main shaft. A few final welds here to make sure this bit can handle the heavy pulp without bending. Push the DIY mixing tool right down into the bucket to break up those submerged chunks. Hook it up to a power drill and blend everything into a smooth, fibrous slurry. Dump in a generous amount of dry sawdust. This is key for binding and clean burning. Time to get your hands dirty. Knead the sawdust and pulp until you get a thick, even paste. Finally, pack the pulp tightly into the mold press to squeeze out the excess water and set the brick. Press down firmly on the lever press to force out as much remaining water as possible. Once dried, these homemade paper sawdust briquettes are solid, lightweight, and ready to burn. Stack them in the stove and light them up. They provide a long-lasting, steady heat source.